All right, let's continue by learning dictionaries, which are a lot like lists, but they're useful for situations where you need to have labeled, or what we call labeled data, which is common in data science. So let me show you what I mean. Let's start by making our ice cream dictionary. And for dictionaries, we use curly braces instead of the square braces. And we're going to use paired values. So we have Sam, who likes strawberry. We have Mark, who likes chocolate. And we're going to say, sorry, right there, we have Joseph, who likes vanilla. Okay, so let's take a look at the structure of this. We have, you can tell a name is the first half of the pair, and then the flavor is the second half of the pair. The colon separates the pair. Now, I like the spaces. You don't have to have spaces in between here. You can just have a colon like that, whatever you prefer. But then I still have commas that separate the pairs of values. So here's one pair, two pairs, three pairs. So in this case, we're giving a value, attribute value pair to each one of these. So dictionary, just like a list, except that each value has a label for it. So we can reference these a lot like we did with the lists. So let's store that in memory, ice cream dictionary. Okay, now we can look up a value by referring to it by name, but using curly braces. So let's print. Actually, first let me show you what happens when we try to print the ice cream dictionary. Okay, it looks just like that, but let's print a particular location or index of the ice cream dictionary. And for that, we use the square brackets, and we can refer to each of the names. See how it gives us the option here? So it gives us the, oh, whoops, sorry, I got an extra one there. So it prints out the value for a particular attribute. So very similar to a list, but we have these labels here for each one of the values. Label a value pair instead of attribute value, I guess. All right, we can similarly change and update values. Again, when referencing values, we're going to say that Mark actually likes, his favorite is Rocky Road. I know in the book it says peanut butter. My wife likes that. I hate peanut butter. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to say Mark equals Rocky Road. And then after it, let's print the ice cream dictionary so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, there we go. Updated the value. I don't update to add a value. We use the same command actually that we use, or the same method that we use to update a value. So let me first show you actually update, and then I think it'll make more sense to see how to add one. So let's change Sam to something else. Let's say ice cream dictionary. For this we need the dot update, then the parentheses, and then we're going to say Sam equals, let's say, I don't know, mint chocolate chip. Okay, print ice cream, case sensitive there, ice cream dictionary. There we go, Sam's updated. To add a value, however, we also use the update command, but a little bit differently. We say dot update, and then inside of our parentheses, we put the curly braces in there, and we add a new key value pair. So we're going to say Sierra, and then we're going to say colon, and we're going to say that she likes, I'm going to guess here, Oreo. Okay, print ice cream, ice cream dictionary. All right, there we go, adds her down here at the end. Okay, so we've got creating an initial one, updating a particular location. We've got adding a location. Let's Oh, let's add two dictionaries together. Let's make one more dictionary real quick. Let's call this Ice Cream Dictionary 2. And let's set this one equal to, let's get some more names here. We've got Sam, Sienna. We don't have Ethan yet. Let's add him in there. Ethan likes peanut butter. And let's add one more person. Sarah likes, I'm running out of flavors. I'm not very ice cream cultured. Let's say, what's a good one? I don't know. Gosh, fudge, whatever. Okay, perfect. Let's add, Ice Cream Dictionary 1 to Ice Cream Dictionary 2. So we're going to say ice cream, there we go, Ice Cream Dictionary dot update, just like before. This time we're going to say Ice Cream Dictionary 2. So we're updating it by adding Dictionary 2 to it now. So now let's print out Ice Cream Dictionary. All right. So we have the original ones through Sierra, and then the extra two added on there at the end. So let's review a few of the other options that we have for methods and functions like we had before. Let's start with we're used to length. Let's print length, or len, of Ice Cream Dictionary 6. Is that right? So now 6 refers to the pair, the label and the value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's right. Perfect. Let's do a type. So what type of variables do we have in this dictionary? Let's do print type Ice Cream Dictionary. Class dictionary. Perfect. That will tell you, just what type of variable it is. Let's do some more useful ones. Let's skip functions and go to methods. So we have things like clear and copy. So now that we've added Ice Cream Dictionary 2 to 1, I'm going to clear out Ice Cream Dictionary 2 dot clear, and then let's print it to make sure it's all cleared out. Beautiful. Okay, that's emptied out. Let's return some things. Let's return a list of both the items and the keys. So this is mildly useful at times. Ice Cream Dictionary items. I don't always have to use a print command for something like this. It'll actually just go ahead and print them out for me. So it says your dictionary items. Here's all the list of your, we call it a tuple, or a pair is another word for it. Let's do the Ice Cream Dictionary keys. Okay, so this is just the key labels. See, we call these the keys, and then the values. Here are the value for each key. And then we can also do values. Ice Cream Dictionary values. All right, so just the values. I think that's enough for dictionaries for now. I think when we get into the actual data analytics later on in this book or the semester, you'll see some more useful examples for dictionaries, but we'll call it good for now.